guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi for those who don't know me, and for those of you, thank you for joining the review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Main Concept in the Brown Sugar collection. I have the unit in the style BSHC201 Manon. The unit does come with a 4-inch deep lace part, HZ ear-to-ear clear lace, flawless clear hairline, natural baby hairs, soft to the touch, comes as adjustable straps, comfort and breathable cap. Doesn't state if it's heat safe, and I did not test out the heat. But it does say it's a human hair style mix, and the color of the unit that I have is FR2 SMORE. So again, the unit that I have is Main Concept BSHC201 Manon, which is a human hair mix. So some more about the unit. The unit does come with 3 combs as well as adjustable straps. The unit is a middle part. The unit is silky. I don't know why I thought it was yaki. It's silky. It is a middle part, like I said. She's not beginner friendly, very beginner friendly. Does have a tiny bit of flyaways, no shedding. I don't know if it holds heat. I didn't test it out. Wait, we can't test it out right now. Let's see if it melts this hair. Ooh. It is not 400 degrees heat safe. Because I just tried to run this through it, and child, I think it almost melted. Yep, not safe. So, I guess it holds heat because I flattened the top and I didn't burn off any of the hair or any of the fibers, so heat safe. And the hot comb is at 400 degrees currently. It doesn't shed, it doesn't tangle. The parting space look pre-plucked, but the hairline is not pre-plucked in my opinion. This is what a stock card looks like. Can you see it? This is how I stopped mine. Same thing, just with some baby ears. I don't think hers came with baby ears, no. So what I did was added the baby ears. She is a blunt bob, a centered blunt bob. That's easy to apply, very beginner friendly, very put on and go friendly, and I'd say if you get her in a different color. This color, it's cute. I'm just thinking it's gonna look better in a different color if you want to be different, because I'm pretty sure you got a unit in your stash if you're a wig collector that look like this, and if you don't, then maybe get in that color. But if you do and you want to see what Manon is about, go ahead and get Manon in a different color, just to have selections and colors in your collection. But overall, Manon is not that bad, not that bad at all. I don't know if I'm gonna sell Manon. If I don't sell Manon, I may wear her every now and then, She's like a great video wig. Yeah. A great, on camera wig. So yeah. What y'all think? Y'all like Manon? Is this something y'all think you may pick up, or you just gonna pass? Let me know down in the comments. I lost my babies and they don't look right now. Okay, that may be a little better. Better? Yeah, I think this is gonna have to. Okay, I keep saying it and I keep putting it. But yeah, it's very cute, very beginner friendly, very natural looking unit. I do recommend her if you want a put on and go beginner friendly unit. I do recommend her, but for the emphasis of saving money, I would say get in a different color. That's what I would say. And I don't remember how much I paid for her. She may not be too expensive. If she's like $20 ish, you want to get her, go ahead and get her. So I was done with the review. I took my pictures and I was, getting ready to put it in a pack. And I just remembered a story about this unit. Remember a few units back, I said that some of my packages got lost? Girl, this is one of them. This is a unit. This unit got to Puerto Rico before it got to me. I ain't never been to Puerto Rico. How my wig get to Puerto Rico before I do? Like, how? I don't know. Post office is an interesting place to be, boy, I tell you. And I've only lost like a few packages. They ain't been in double digits yet. And I pray to God they never get to double digits. But tracking Manon got to Puerto Rico, they got back. And I'm like, you had to pass Texas to go to Puerto Rico from where you was coming from before you got to me. But you know what? Worth the wait. Worth the wait. Worth the wait. So, I'm really done. I'm really gonna take Manon out now. Okay. I just had to let y'all know that Manon been to Puerto Rico before I did. Because I ain't never been there. But one day, I'm gonna get there. One day I'm gonna get there, okay? One day.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds. Oh, 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your.
So I've cut off the lace, I've tinted the lace, I connected my adjustable straps together, and now we're at styling. Now since this is already cut in a certain style, I mean, not much we could do about that, but we can jazz it up by laying flat the center of the unit, just to make it a little flatter. I mean, it's not bad. It's definitely not bad. But we can add some baby hairs. So let us go ahead and try some baby hairs on this bad boy. And we're gonna use same old bold hole lace jelly and even 24-hour edge tamer. I'll just clip it back so I can get to this baby hairs undisturbed. Alright, okay. We got something over here. We can start right here, right? Y'all see it? It's already out. Okay. How's your week going? How is your 2023 going? Is it any better than 2022? A while back, I had a conversation with my mom about celebrating the new year and, you know, people dying, which, you know, that's the normal nature of life. You live, you die, and so forth. And, you know, we were having this conversation where we were saying, why do we celebrate New Year's Day when the real joy is living through the entire year? And that was just an eye-opener for me, because I was like, you are so right. Many of us celebrate New Year's Day but don't even make it to the second day of the year. I just felt like that was interesting and I wanted to share it with you guys. I mean, I celebrate every day because every day above ground is a beautiful day. I celebrate every day, but you know, it still put things into perspective the older you get, you know. So yeah, I felt that was something to share. So I did this side. I didn't cut it, I just swoopity-dooped it. So let's see if we could find it on this side. Yeah, I think I found it. I'm just shaping it. feel like I kind of like this one better. Let's see if I can make a match. Yeah, but back to y'all. How's y'all 2023 going? Did you guys have any New Year's resolution? Or New Year's resolutions? Because sometimes y'all be having a whole bunch. I don't do none of that. I just want growth. I want to be better than I was the year before. You know, in every aspect of my life. So I don't do New Year's resolution. I just aspire to be better. A better person, a better daughter, a better sister, a better wife. I just, you know, want to be better than I was a year before. So that's my New Year's resolution, is growth. That's always my New Year's resolution. So it's not really a New Year's resolution. It's just a way I aspire to be. I want to leave this earth where people would say, she was a great person. You know, she changed my life for the better. You know, if something were to happen to me, I'm not calling death on myself, but I'm saying, you know, if if you know, my last day on earth would be today, tomorrow, any other day, I just want people to say, you know, yeah, she was a better friend. She's a great friend. She inspired me to do good. She inspired me to be better. You know, she always encouraged me, and yeah, so there's no surprise. My New Year's goal, not resolution necessary, but goal, is to be better than I was last year. So yeah, and I think with that being said, the baby years are done. So let's see, let's take this out, let's take this one out. Okay, brush it up and back, brush it up and back. And that's why it would be so cute on other people when they put it like right here, but you could never see it on me. I don't know, like, that's okay. That's okay. We ain't doing it over. It's gonna have to work, cause child, too much. I was gonna do the flatten up the top, but I don't feel I need to. I feel like it's good how it is. Brush it out. Squeeze it right here. I saw someone on Instagram say, if you want your hair to stay how you placed it, you put some hairspray on there and then you squeeze it out and it should stay. And I feel like it works for me 90% of the time, especially when I do use the hairspray. So yeah, but yeah, back to you guys. What are your New Year's resolution, if you have any? Do you have them? If you know, don't mind sharing some of them down in the comment section. Like, do you have goals you want to achieve? A new job, maybe a new skill? Do you want to be certified in something new? Like, what is it that you wanted to do before 2023 is up? Let me know down in the comments, if you want to. I mean, you don't have to let me know, because yeah, it's your business. I was just making conversation. I think for me, in my journey of being better, I want to spend more time with family. I want to be present. I want to, how would I say it? Make more memories with them. That's what I want in my journey of being better in 2023. You know, we had a rough 3 years, because really, stuff ain't never been the same since the pandemic. I just don't know. I don't know if I'm the only one that feel that way. But since the vid, it's like stuff just ain't been the same, you know? It's like you're always playing catch up. Where is it me? Let me know. So I want to be more intentional with my time. I want to be more thankful for the blessings that I have, because some of the things I have, some people would aspire to have them. So I want to be more thankful. I don't want to take anything for granted. Nothing. Not an hour, not a second. I want to be intentional. But most of all, I want to make lots of memories with the people I care about. So yeah, that's my growth journey. So let me know down in the comments, what are you guys thankful for? What do you want to achieve before the year is up? Let me show you guys the back. Here we have the front. More hairspray. And I think this is the final look. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Oh, let's add a little bit of foundation in the part space. Now we have the final look. So that's what I have for this wig review. If you got the end of the video, you're already done. If you don't forget to like the video, share the video. I see you in another wig review. Bye guys.